What is up, YouTube? It's Ironhide City 17 with my next Rubik's Cube review. And today, thanks to my partner Overload, one of my Transformers, he is going to unload today's delivery, which is the 9x9 Rubik's Cube. Now, I have not owned a 9x9 Rubik's Cube before. So this is actually my very first 9x9 ever. And of course, being that I like these Rubik's Cubes so much, like this particular brand and model, I have like a whole bag here of Rubik's Cubes with this particular make. So I'll be doing a comparison with all of them in a second. So let's go ahead and get this open. So here is the 9x9 Rubik's Cube. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 layers deep. Now, reason I got this cube is that by surprise, I had actually solved the 8x8 Rubik's Cube, believe it or not, without a walkthrough. So I was going to do the 9x9 unboxing after I had solved the 8x8, which I succeeded in doing. So far, here is how my cube tower actually stands. So I'm going to stack all of these up for you. 8, 9, 8, 7, 6. Here's the 5. Should have used my tripod for this. The 4. Here's my 3x3. Finally, my 2x2. So that is my entire cube tower so far. All the way from the 9x9 to the 2x2, or vice versa. So I'm going to go ahead and carefully get these out of the way. There we go. So, like a lot of these puzzles from this company, these puzzles turn really, really well. Like, seriously. Like, I may do some other videos with this puzzle eventually, because I love this puzzle. But I wanted to have some more time with it first, because I literally just got it yesterday, actually. So, yeah, I'm going to give myself a little bit of time here and actually put these cubes in the background here. Oops. Focus. There we go. 3, 2x2. So that's my whole cube lineup in the back. And I'll actually move my mat here a little bit so you can see it better. So this is the 9x9. So if you want to see me do a tutorial on this cube, let me know in the comments. I've already got a 3x3, a 4x4. I got a tutorial done for the 3x3 and the 4x4, but not yet for the 5x5. At least I don't think. So I'm going in order on these. So my next goal will be doing the 5x5, then the 6x6 tutorials. So anyway, that is the 9x9. Thanks for watching.